good day ma'am. I am Kimson Anduar Takay po from BS Biology 2A. And now, let's tackle what is the very easiest editing center for the beginners. So, let's go. So, for the first editing center that we're gonna use is the Canva. So, Canva is one of my favorite um, editing center for making the um, a PowerPoint presentation because it is easy for the beginners and it is easy to use. So the first thing to do is just click whatever the template you want, and then if the template has more other designs, so just barely click it and then delete it. So after that, I chose a photo. So I go to elements and then I search for the word technology. It is because I prefer to use technology. Basically, I base for in the um, uh, particular subject. So after I choose a photo, so just drag it to fit for the exact corner, and then after I drag it, so um, after I drag it, so the next step to do is the added of text. So after that, you can see how it works. So basically I have one design I've not deleted. It's because naganahan ko sa iya, and then after that I go to text bar on the left corner, and then just click it, and then I type the text modern technology. So let's see how it works. So after I type the text, so I drag it to the top, and then I'm starting it to edit the text, and then I change it color. It's because it's not visible for the eye, and then I bold the text, and then so ayan, na-choose ko na ang color, and then na-bold ko na din ang text. And then so ini-enlarge ko siya to make it visible and more readable. And then after that I go to effects. So yan, effects, and then drag ko lang yan pa ibaba, and then I choose the echo for the design of that text, and then ina-adjust ko lang yung offset and direction para mas maging maganda yung design ng text natin. So after that, so ayan, ina-adjust ko po siya, and then ayan, so it's more nice than before. And then how to save it, so just click the share on the right upper, and then drag it down, and then click the download, and then ang yung size is i-maximize mo siya. So ayan, ito yung maximize is just click the download, and then so ayan, nagda-download na po siya. So after that, kung i-click nyo po yung pinaka-top na yung parang arrow pa ibaba, and then makikita nyo po yun, yung dinodownload mo po, and then after that makikita nyo po yung gawa nyo. Design I choose is the soccer ball. So first thing to do is kumuha ka ng hexagon, and then just copy it para dumami sila. So as you can see in the screen is kinakopy lang sila, and then after that just click the i-click mo lang yung mga hexagon, and then you can click the black color, on the right side, and then after that ida-drag mo lang sila kung saan mo sila gusto, and then add some shape like as we thought for the ball, a circle, and then ayan, some edit. I chose the human, and sa ibabaw niya is merong alien ship, so just like that. And basically nakikita nyo, ayan na na ano na siya, na medyo na okay na siya, and then bina-blur na lang. So after that is i-click nyo yung right side, and then i-adjust nyo yung opacity, and after that, so ayan, nakikita nyo na, and then i-get some additional lights designed for that UFO, and then delete some light of that, and then after that the opacity again, and just like that. So for the three editing center, the Canva, the Corel, and for the Adobe Photoshop, so I prefer to choose the Canva, especially for making the PowerPoint presentation. But for the graphic design, for the jersey, for a lot of tattoos design, I prefer to choose the Adobe Photoshop. It is because the way it takes to edit is very amazing. So in terms of that, I choose the Adobe Photoshop. But for making the PowerPoint presentation, for editing some photo, so I choose the Canva. So that's all. Thank you, ma'am.